Change the world from within the lines of your precious dome. Arms length so perfect.